Uh-oh.
It's a lot harder.
I think Baker might have met his match.
Oh, shit!
You see your bike get up like that, huh? It'll do it, huh?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Baker said on the first gear, he was like, God damn. He trying to get
It sounds dangerous.
That's what he told me. I pulled up next to him. I was like, all right, I'm the Harley guy. Just give me a little wheelie 101 since you're the pro. He was like, don't get scared when you pop it up. He was like, just keep rolling the throttle. He's like, that's the best advice I can give you. He was like, take it to this RPM, then crank it, and just roll it.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Sick though. So now that I've seen it done, I'm really gonna go for that shit.
He thought it couldn't be done on his big old bike.
Oh, no, it could be done.
Fucker is big.
Dude, I've seen 883 Sportsters go sky high, so.
You just gotta fucking...
I've caught mine, but
Man,
just like
that
when I get on it, it pops so fast.